Ever felt like you're navigating a maze blindfolded, trying to wrangle data, collaborate on projects, and actually understand what's going on, all at the same time? Like you're constantly fighting a losing battle against spreadsheets that just don't talk to each other? Or maybe you're tired of those static dashboards that feel like relics from a bygone era, never quite giving you the real-time insights you crave? Yeah, me too. And I know a lot of you out there feel the same way. We're drowning in data, but starving for clarity. We're craving tools that empower us to not just see the numbers, but to interact with them, to explore, to discover, to actually build something meaningful. That's where Grid comes in. It's not just another spreadsheet. It's not just another dashboard. It's a dynamic, interactive platform that transforms your data into something, well, something alive. You can build interactive reports, create dynamic presentations, and collaborate with your team in a way that actually makes sense. Imagine, finally, being able to turn raw data into compelling narratives, into actionable insights, into something that actually drives decisions. But before you can unleash the power of Grid, you need to, well, sign up. And that's exactly what we're going to cover today. No fluff, no jargon, just a straightforward, step-by-step guide on how to create your own Grid account. Alright, let's get started. Open your web browser and navigate to grid.is. That's grid.is. You'll land on the Grid homepage, a clean, modern interface designed to get you started quickly. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. It's usually prominently displayed in the top right corner or somewhere in the center of the page. Click on it. Now, you'll be presented with the sign-up form. You'll typically have a few options for creating an account. You can sign up with your email address, or, for even faster access, you can use your Google account or another supported single sign-on service. Let's walk through the email sign-up process first. If you choose to use your email, you'll need to enter your email address, create a password, and confirm it. Make sure your password is strong and unique. You know the drill. Some platforms might have specific password requirements, like a minimum length or the inclusion of special characters. Pay close attention to these requirements to ensure your password is accepted. Before you proceed, you'll also need to agree to Grid's terms of service and privacy policy. It's always a good idea to read through these documents to understand how your data will be handled and what your rights are. Don't just blindly check the boxes. Take a moment to understand what you're agreeing to. Once you've filled out the form and agreed to the terms, click the Sign Up or Create Account button. Depending on the platform, you might be redirected to a confirmation screen, or you might receive an email verification link. Check your inbox for an email from Grid. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your email address and activate your account. This step is crucial, as it ensures that you have access to all the features and functionalities of Grid. Now, let's take a look at the Google Sign Up option. If you choose to sign up with your Google account, simply click the Sign Up with Google button. You'll be prompted to select your Google account from a list of accounts you're currently signed into. Select the account you want to use. Google will then ask you to grant Grid permission to access certain information from your Google account. This information is typically limited to your name, email address, and profile picture. Review the permissions carefully and click Allow to proceed. Once you've granted permission, your Grid account will be created automatically, and you'll be logged in. This is a much faster and more streamlined process compared to the email sign-up. The process for other single sign-on options like Apple ID or Microsoft account is similar to the Google sign-up. Just follow the prompts and grant the necessary permissions. After you've successfully signed up and logged in, you'll be taken to the Grid dashboard or welcome screen. This is your central hub for creating, managing, and collaborating on your Grid documents. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll find options to create new documents, access existing documents, explore templates, and manage your account settings. If you're new to Grid, I highly recommend checking out the Templates and Examples section. These resources can give you a great starting point for creating your own documents and exploring the platform's capabilities. If you encounter any issues during the sign-up process or have any questions about using Grid, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team. You can usually find a help or support section in the dashboard or on the Grid website. Once you're comfortable with the interface, you can start creating your own Grid documents. Experiment with different features, explore the interactive elements, and discover the power of dynamic data visualization. Remember, Grid is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore. The more you use it, the more you'll discover its potential. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for a Grid account. You're now ready to unlock the power of dynamic data and collaborative insights. It's pretty straightforward, right? No complex procedures, just a few clicks and you're in. Now, I know some of you might still have questions, or maybe you're curious about specific features of Grid. Don't worry, we'll be covering those in future videos. We'll dive deeper into creating interactive reports, building dynamic presentations, and collaborating with your team effectively. We'll be exploring the full potential of Grid, showing you how to transform your data into something truly remarkable. So, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming tutorials. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.